Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning.
Present continuous form and use. We don't say use, we say use, because the verb is use, but the noun is use. So here we are using the word as a noun. So form and use. Use. So we are going to speak about present continuous. We use present continuous to describe actions or verbs that are happening in the present, right now, at the moment of speaking. So I'm going to explain this when we give examples. The form of present continuous. So we studied present simple. In present simple, we have just one verb. I speak, I go, I eat. So just one verb. But remember, in present continuous, we have two verbs. Two verbs. So present continuous is verb to be in present simple. We are going to see in the lesson verb to be in present simple plus verb plus ing. So this is present continuous. If we have just verb plus ing, it's not present continuous. Remember this. So to have present continuous, you should have two things. First, verb to be in present simple and verb plus ing. Another thing I want you to remember, that in this lesson and in the lessons that are coming in the future regarding present continuous, we are not going to use do, don't, does, doesn't, because these words, we use them just in present simple. So we don't use them in other tenses, English tenses. So remember that these words, we are not going to use them today and in the coming lessons. This is just to remember this. Let's continue. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. حد سعيد. إلى اللقاء. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.